Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your account is active and you're at the correct service address, because provisioning problems mimic hardware faults. Once done, power cycle the gateway. Unplug for 30 seconds and plug back in to clear transient errors. Make sure the gateway is near a window and elevated. Signal strength depends on line of sight to the cell tower. If lights don't follow the normal boot pattern, note which LEDs are abnormal before moving on, so you know whether to focus on signal or provisioning. You now dig into signal and hardware diagnosis. Log into the Gateway UI or Tmobile app and check bars plus RSSI or RSRP numeric values, because numbers tell you if the issue is weak signal. Then swap Ethernet and power cables, and if you can, test with a spare SIM to isolate SIM or modem faults. Next, run a local speed test and ping the gateway. Consistent local pings with slow WAN speeds point to mobile backhaul problems rather than You finish by applying targeted fixes. Reposition the gateway, change placement or antenna orientation, enable band steering or carrier aggregation in settings to improve throughput. If nothing improves, backup settings and perform a factory reset, then reprovision through the app and recheck LEDs and speeds to confirm resolution. One key troubleshooting tip: capture error codes, RSSI/RSRP values, and speed logs before contacting T-Mobile support. Technicians will resolve faster when you provide those concrete measurements and steps you already tried.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.